Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring out the latest happening to you. I touchlight every issues to you. Now, we want to draw the attention of a lot of people concerning what Nworu said to the video that was posted by Gentle Yahoo. So this is what he said, and he referred to Simon Ekpa also, and the statement that he made. Please do well to watch the video to the end so that you will carry along everything. So he said, Biafrans and those who cherish freedom, I would prefer not to share this video, but because of the significance of the content, I urge everyone to pay attention to this and hear the confession of those criminals who have blackmailed Nworu, especially an IPOP Eastern Security Network in overall about what is happening in Imo State. I have frequently informed the public that these individuals are agents provocateurs, fully intact on condemning the Biafra movement. That's why Hope Uzodinma will never refer to Ekpa in all that is occurring in Imo State. Instead, Hope Uzodinma and his gang will be extorting the name of Nworu because Nworu posed a significant bearer to the dismantling of IPOB and the Biafra movement. Hey, hey. Now, this is coming to you from Nworu after he shared the video of Yahoo. And also, he made another live stream where he talked about Simon Ekpa. In fact, you know very well that they refer to Simon Ekpa as Ekperima. Not only that, they made a live stream also, of which we are going to listen to what he said again. And I'll be right back.
Let me tell you something. Most of you know Chief Tony Chukwu. All of you know from, I think, Ida or something of that nature. Most of you know him. He's a big politician in Imo State. A very good ally with Hope Uzodinma. Very good ally. These are people who want IPOB to destroy. They are all partners. It doesn't matter. We know what everybody is doing. His boys. All these politicians have boys in their place. Boys they used to compete. Those his boys joined. How did they join it? That is the first question. I'm not saying he's the one who sent them to him. I'm not saying like that. No. But his boys from his community were part of the criminality going on in also. And at a point, people were saying, your boys not there. Because every politician in Imo State want to have their representative inside that also valley. So that if any crime or if anything want to happen to them, they will say, no, my Oga, they bring money. We know that attack. Most of the politicians is like that in Imo State. They pay them loyalty. They pay. So if your boy is there, nobody can plan to go to attack their Oga. That is where they stay, to attack their opponent. In that also, they plan everything there. Along the line, when the issue has become so serious, Tony Tuku decided there are, I think, 5 of his boys. He said he want them amnesty. Because the boys, like, they became tired from the attack happening there. They start begging for amnesty. When they were begging for amnesty, the man went and convinced them that he will get them amnesty with Hope Uzodinma. He took them, Tony Chukwu, Chief Tony Chukwu. He took these 5 of them, 4 or 5 of them, he took them to government house to hand over to Hope on amnesty. When he went there, Tony said, Hope told him that they have to leave them for like 3 days so that the DSS, all these people will make, take their statement, everything, how they take amnesty. At the end of the day, they will come. He said he should give him 3 days so that the DSS can handle all these things. After 3 days, Tony Chukwu returned back Hope Uzodinma have executed all of them. I'm not, when I'm talking now, they will say, who is this guy? Where is this guy getting this information? But this is what is happening. Hope executed all of them. And why this guy is angry is because he was the one, through one guy they call Senator. He was the one that brought proposal for a negotiation with Hope Uzodinma, with his deputy. Butuzo, which is Temple, came for negotiation with Hope Uzodinma. And it is this Tony Chukwu, through that senator, that strike the deal. Then the deputy went for this discussion. What was the three things Butuzo? They use the name, somebody killing and many. Listen, because that is what is happening to many people, that they will run to go to speak for IPOB. That is, when they do those things, people see IPOB as what? Who are these people? Stupid people. When IPOB have things to discuss, somebody will run, say he's coming to speak for IPOB. You don't speak for IPOB leadership. Why are we saying you don't speak for IPOB leadership? We have our quality, we have our demand, we know what we are pursuing. Our demand is not those things you are going to talk. When they took Butuzo to ask him what they will do so that peace will be, Butuzo said three things. Number one, he used the name of Mazen Namdekano, the person committing all those crimes. You see how they are attacking Mazen Namdekano. You see how they are attacking Mazen Namdekano. Butuzo told them for him to peace to remain, they should release Mazen Namdekano. Of course, that is what every criminal is using in his criminal activity. Two, that they are holding his girlfriend. They should release his girlfriend, Chinaza. Three, that they are holding the dead body of some of his people. They should give them the dead body and the Igonso dead body. Are you people hearing? These are people that say they go to negotiate. This is the negotiation. Give him the dead body of some of his men. So this is the negotiation because of your wife, your girlfriend, and people they killed. You people have in the you put Martin that this is why you are killing and maiming our people, kidnapping them. Before they hold your girlfriend, were you doing that crime or not? You already into crime because politicians are involved. That is why they can go and call a criminal to come and talk with him because they know him. If it is Biafra agitation, why they don't talk to the leadership of IPO? I want to know. Mazi, if it is for the agitation of Biafra, if it is for agitation, or what if you say it is IPOB that have caused the problem in Olu, in Imo State, why you don't approach the leadership of IPOB? This is a question everybody must ask this thing. You said IPOB and ESN is what is causing that problem. The leadership of IPOB are known around the world. The government, you people know them. It's only in blackmail you can talk about them. Then if you want to talk about those things, who are you going to approach? Who are you going to talk to? You're supposed to talk to the IPOB leadership. You can tell IPOB leadership, look at, your people are doing this, doing that, doing this. Then you work with our IPOB leadership, tells you, if they are under our command, we will tell you these people, they are under our command, we will stop them today, tomorrow. If they are not under our command, we will tell you they are not, they are criminals, handle them as criminals. But they will not come to IPOB leadership because they know.
Mazi, before you continue, let me ask here for clarification, for clarity's sake, because I know it might be in the mindset of people. When you talk about contacting or talking to IPOB leadership, is there any line of communication for this report that they can easily contact IPOB? Mazi, please go. Clarify there, please.
Mazi, there is always line of communication. Are you hearing me? They know the people they can reach to IPOB leadership. Mazi, they speak to some people also. They told them about IP. Do you understand me? They say that we are stubborn. That is normally what they say. They said we are stubborn. That is one of the things. Mazi, let me tell you, if people want to reach IPOB leadership, it's very simple. We are not hidden. There are many channels people can reach us. There are many ways. There are many ways, and I don't have to start saying it here. There are many ways. Through both our legal team, through welfare, through our media line. We have our inquiry line. Somebody can send somebody, say, get me in touch with this person. Get me in touch with this person. Get me in touch with this person. There are. So anybody who tell you that he doesn't know how to, is a liar. They prefer to call Butuso to come to, and he told them about his girlfriend. So it is a decision. So what you are telling me, are you understanding me that why we are fighting and people are dying, the negotiation was his girlfriend, right? Was because of his girlfriend and the dead body of some of his criminal gangs, apart from Ikon's own that he's talking about. Because they will always look for something that looks genuine and attach to it. So let's say, Mazi, let's say that Uzodinma tell him now, okay, I will release your girlfriend. I will give you the dead body of 1 or 2 persons. Okay, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, I will see how to do it. Then what happened? The Biafra story is finished. Right? The Biafra story is finished. Mazi, you come and see politicians who masterminded the killing in Olu from China Sawaneri, from Ani Feke, to retire the state justice, is it CJ Akolisa? These people, they were behind killings. If you see that Akolisa, where he's talking about how to kill, who to kill, and who not to come, then when these people are doing, there comes this new guy, who is ranting rubbish. You understand me? That guy, just we are waiting for him. If they intentionally they are hitting everything of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the people did not understand that all these videos they are trying to really show you, they don't know this. They are preparing what they want to show the world, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu committed this. It is under his instruction. Because those people, many of these criminals were the other criminals, you understand me, they were using. People did not know this is something programmed, how they want them to play. At the end of the day, the guy who championed it for them, he's in jail. He's out of the public space. He's in jail. Just within and they can use you and work. If you make yourself available to work, you work, they remove you also. He have finished working for them. They have removed him from the way. Now they want to contend every other thing. They are killing them on a daily basis. Mazi, these people in Osun were very quick to go to a camp they know. The question is this: why did I'm asking them? Those are Osun initiative. Go to the back of Olu LGA headquarters, beside the equator. I want you people to go there and show the world the coverage of the bones and skeletons of innocent people massacred in that place. Back of Olu local government headquarters, beside the equator. Go there. Let them take people there and tell us that IPOB killed. Let them take people. Let them take some media people. Let them go at Olu Stadium, close to Mweto. That's the same Olu Stadium. Let them go there and tell us. Show us video. If the people killed there are IPOB or ESN, they were the ones occupying these places. That is only what we want. They have gone to produce and tell you IPOB. Let them go to the back of Olu Stadium. Let them go there. Show us video. Let them bring it. If they don't have, we help them and bring. Let them go there and show us. Let us go also at the back of the local government or local government headquarters beside them and see the atrocities, the genocide committed against innocent people. And at the end of the day, they thought they are the only ones that have the camera to come to say IPOB did this. They are preparing documentary they are using against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, against IPOB. Let me leave.
So the truth of the matter is that after the video that Yao made, they believe that Simon Ekpa and Yao, they are working together with Hope Uzodinma. Anyways, this is not the first time this thing is happening. But I'm so surprised that they are even saying that the politicians would have reached out to them. I say, shoo, hey, hey. Anyways, I don't really want to talk too much. Make sure you share this video. And also, I was thinking for those people that said they know how to talk a lot, all those desert warrior. Even the Bible said that not everyone that called Lord, Lord, Lord shall enter into the kingdom of heaven. Some people, they are shouting Biafra, Biafra, but they are desert warrior. They are not fighting for the Biafra. Anyways, we just see where we're not be today. So I was really thinking that a lot would have changed because people that say Simon Ekpa is working with politicians. If Simon Ekpa would work with the federal government of Nigeria, they not go cash and they not go do amenities. Anyway, share this video. I still remain your one and only Progress, the analyst, as I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.